Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word peligrosa in depth. First, the definition. Peligrosa means dangerous or risky, something that can cause harm. Think of it simply as a warning sign flashing danger. It can describe anything from a hazardous road to a risky situation. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Peligrosa traces back to Latin periculosus, meaning dangerous. Over time, it's been used by Spanish speakers to describe anything unsafe. The word is carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use peligrosa in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The carretera is muy peligrosa during the rainy season because of landslides. Correct example 2. It's peligrosa to swim near the strong currents here. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to peligrosa my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using peligrosa correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Peligrosa means dangerous or risky. It comes from Latin periculosus, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with peligrosa down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.